Dear children, today we are going to learn science for second term lesson 8 Animals Need Shelter. To start with, let us first learn why animals need shelter. Animals need shelter to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain and enemies. Different animals live in different kinds of homes, from holes in the ground to caves to nests and trees. Birds make their own nests to lay eggs and raise their chicks. They make their nests with straw, tubes, leaves and cotton, etc. But the nests of all birds are not all alike. Some insects build their own shelter. For example, spider lives in a cobweb that is spun by itself. A honeybee lives in a beehive. An ant builds an ant hill. Some animals live inside the ground. For example, rabbit in a burrow, owls inside the hollows of trees, rat in a hole. Animals like lion, tiger, bear live in dens or caves. Monkeys live on trees. Elephants live under the shade of big trees. We make home for some animals, such as cow shed for cow, a stable for horse, a kennel for dog, a coop for hen, a sty for pig. This is all we have for this lesson. I hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you. Study well and stay safe.
Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you fine at home, and I think all of you completed chapter 3 plants around us in your GSC copy, and yesterday I have started chapter 8, and name of the chapter 8 is the shelter for animals. Shelter for animals. And yesterday I discussed about the shelter for animals. So you know that shelter is our basic need. Whether it is animals, whether it is human beings, they all need shelter, and different types of animals are there. So they need different kind of shelter. Different animals need different kind of shelters. Some use the natural shelters. Some make their shelter by themselves, and most make homes for our domestic we make homes for our domestic animals. We make shelter. So different animals are there, and yesterday I discussed about the bird, snake and honeybees, and today I will talk about the natural shelters. Natural shelters. You know that animals, wild animals. What are the wild animals? Those who lives in a jungles, they are called the wild animals, or those who live in the forest, they are called the wild animals. Animals, those who are live in the forest, they are called the wild animals. Wild animals, name of some wild animals: lion, fox, bear, wolf. They live in the dens or caves. They live in the dens or caves. Monkeys live on trees. Monkeys live on trees. Monkey कहाँ रहते हैं? बड़े बड़े पेड़ पे रहते हैं. So they are their natural shelters. And elephants live under the shade of big trees. An elephant also wild animals, and they live under the shade of the big trees. जो बहुत बड़े बड़े पेड़ होते हैं, उसको आपने देखा होगा, उसके नीचे बहुत छाया होती है, तो उस शेड में एलिफेंट्स रहते हैं. So that is also comes into the natural shelters. Natural shelters created by the nature, created by the nature. And you know that domestic animals, we make homes for our domestic animals, and cows are kept in a shed, horses are kept in a stable, dogs are kept in a kennel, sheep are kept in a pen, pigs are kept in a stall, hens are kept in a coop. So here you can see that shed, cows are kept in a shed. Here you can see that cows are kept in a shed. And in this second one, horses are kept in a stable. Horses are kept in a stable. And dogs are kept in a kennel. Dogs are kept in a kennel. And here you can see that sheep are kept in a pen. And pigs are kept in a stall. And hens are kept in a coop. So different, here in book it is given through the diagram. You can verify different types of animals, they are living into the different places. Understood? So what we have learned in this chapter? We have learned in this chapter, a shelter protect us from the heat, cold and rain. It protect us from the heat, cold and rain. Animals live in different kinds of homes, from holes in the ground to caves to nests and trees. What is the shelter? A place. What is the shelter? A place which provide us from the heat, cold, rain and enemies. What is the shelter? A shelter provide us safety from the heat, cold, rain and enemies. What is the burrow? A hole made in the ground by an animal. Understood? So tough word came in this, like the shelter. What is the spelling of shelter? What is the spelling of shelter? You can see difficult words. I will write here shelter. What is the spelling of shelter? S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Shelter. And then you can see that enemies. E-N-E-M-I-E-S. Enemies. And then burrows. B-U-R-R-O-W-S. Burrows. And difficult word, you can see that here. Stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. And then here you can see that kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Kennel, you can see here, kennel. And then stall. S-T-Y. Coop. These are the difficult words you will learn. Shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Enemies. E-N-E-M-I-E-S. Enemies. Burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W-S. Burrows. Stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Stall. S-T-Y. Coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. So till here you will take revision.